Never ever hold them, never mind. Oh,
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Sammie's Pressure King Pro Recipe channel. So today we're going to be showing you how to do boiled eggs in your PKP. I'm going to be doing mine again in the 6 litre. Just turning off my keep warm function. So what we're going to do to get started is you're going to open your machine as such. I just need to get my my pot, one moment. So I've got the 6 litre, as I said. If you look back on yesterday's video, you'll see that I explained a bit more about the 6 litre and the different functions, but we will be going into that in another video, so make sure to subscribe and you'll be able to check out that video when it is ready. So today's recipe is from one of my moderators. It's Kevin Smitherman's recipe. And what you're going to need is you're going to need eggs, you're going to need water, and that is it. And your trivet, of course. For those who haven't got a 3 litre, you can go to our website on Facebook. The link is in the comments below, and you can see different accessories that you can get, different trivets that will fit your 3 litre model. As I say, the 6 litre and the 5 litre are the only machines that do come with the white trivet. So I'm just going to go get my ingredients together and I'll be back to show you what to do next. Okay, so now we're back. So I've got my 2 eggs, my water is already inside of my machine. The white trivet that comes with the 6 litre and the 5 litre is this one. Now normally I'd put foil around this to secure it in place, and if you look back on yesterday's video you'll see the reasons why we went with the foil around the trivet is one of our top tips and tricks for the day. So today I'm not going to use that because there's not much weight in 2 eggs, and that's all we're going to do today. So simply pop your trivet in the 6 litre PKP, or your 5 or your 3 litre. Ensure that you've got 1 cup of water in the bottom of your PKP. Now I've set mine up to the minimum line because I make sure that whatever dish I'm cooking, I always put 1 cup all the way up to the minimum line to ensure that there's enough liquid for cooking. So simply, it's very, very easy. You're going to get your 2 eggs, or however many eggs you're doing, and you're literally just going to pop them on the top of the trivet. So that is pretty much it. So you pop it on, you close down your lid, and you seal, ensuring your valve is closed. You're then going to set your machine to steam, changing the time to just 2 minutes on steam and then pressing start. So what you're going to do is you're going to leave that to run for 2 minutes, and then you're going to let it naturally release the pressure. Now the difference between that is when you're manually releasing pressure, you will lift up the valve and you will allow the pressure to relieve. With a natural release, what you do is you leave the machine when it beeps and it indicates that it's finished. You leave the machine as it is, and what you do is you just wait about 10-15 minutes for it to finish. We're going to leave it 10 minutes in this instance. So I'll be back in 10 minutes when this machine is released, and I'll show you how our eggs have turned out. Okay folks, welcome back. So as it stands, we have the machine now has released its pressure. It's taken about 10 minutes for it to release properly, but this can be up to, I think it works out at 10 minutes for the smaller eggs and 15 minutes for the larger eggs. So we're going to go ahead now and open the machine and see how our eggs have turned out. So I'll just bring this forward. Let me just pop this on the side. Okay, so the eggs are actually still in the top of the basket. The basket hasn't fell through, which isn't too bad with things like this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this looks like. So as you can see, 2 eggs done, and water in the bottom. I'm just going to go and release the eggs from the shells, and I'll be back to show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, so welcome back, and as you can see, we now have perfectly boiled eggs on toast, ready to eat. So as you can see, we've got some wonderful boiled eggs now. They took just 2 minutes from cooking and that was on steam, and then it was 10 minutes natural pressure released. So thank you once again to Kevin Smitherman for our wonderful recipe. Again, just to run through what you needed, was 1 cup of water and eggs on the trivet, and 2 minutes on steam with natural release for 10 minutes. Now, Kevin has recently informed me that the guidelines for the PKP, where you cook with your water up to or your liquid up to your minimum level, isn't actually essential. You only need to put your 1 cup of water in per 2 eggs, but I put mine up to the minimum line and they've turned out absolutely brilliantly. Now I have to be honest, this was my first time doing the eggs in the PKP. The very first time. I was a bit nervous in case they turned out wrong, but no, thanks to Kevin and his recipe, they've turned out brilliantly. Like I've said, I am the admin, I'm the owner, I'm the group creator. However, I am still on a learning curve myself. I'm not affiliated with PKP in any way, and I would just started this group and this channel because I love the machine. There wasn't any community on Facebook for us. I created that, and now we're soaring through members, well on our way to 8,000. So should you want to join us, please click on the link below, which is Sammie's Pressure King recipe group. You'll find lots and lots and lots more recipes there, accessories for your PKP, things that will fit inside, trivet, steaming baskets for pot-in-pot cooking. You'll find so many more things over on our Facebook page. So do pop on over there, and we'll definitely make sure to make you feel welcome. Sorry, I'm not going to edit that out because what's the point, eh? I like this channel to be you guys seeing the real people cooking, because what's the point in me standing here and reading off a script? It doesn't work, does it? The only thing I have been reading, and I won't lie, is just the recipe, so I've had to write it down. But that's it, and I want this to be as real and as honest as possible. So should I cook a meal and it goes absolutely wrong, you guys will be seeing that with me. So that's where we are. But thanks again for joining us, and this evening we'll be uploading another video of how to cook pasta bolognese in a 1 pot. That's pasta, everything all in 1 pot, and we'll be going through the walkthrough and the steps with that later on tonight. So make sure you tune in to watch that video. Remember, like, subscribe, comment and share, and let us know if you've got any questions that need answering, and we'll be sure to do our best. Thanks very much for joining. Bye bye.
Everything means forever, ever, or never mind. Oh,